Hi guys! What is your favorite thing to eat when it's really hot during the summer? And well, I personally don't feel like eating anything when it gets that hot. But there is one thing that I really enjoy eating, and it's fruit salads, because they are filled with juices. There's a lot of liquid in the fruits, so you kind of get to eat something and also you get filled with the liquids, which is very important when it's really hot. So you don't really have to, well, you have to still drink a lot, but it kind of also helps with that. And also it's not heavy, it's not too filling, and I just love fruit salads. They're so delicious, and there are so many ways, so many different fruits that you can use for them. And today is one of those fruit salads. This is a rainbow fruit salad, and I was actually not planning to make it in the way I made it. But when I saw all the fruits on my table and I saw the colors and how they made this kind of a rainbow, well, not all of the colors of the rainbow, but still, I thought I really have to embrace this about those fruits and somehow present it in a way that you can see all of the colors separately, and so that they make so that I present them really beautifully. So that's why I decided to layer this salad, and I absolutely loved how it looked. I also hope that you love this look of the salad, and without further talking, let's get started with the recipe. For my fruit salad, I've chosen different kinds of fruits that are really in season now and are ripe and delicious. And how I've chosen them is according to color. So I have something green there, I have the mango, which is orange, then yellow banana, something red, a really dark purple from the plums, and then this kind of a light orange peach. And also I have some limes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them for decoration, but you get it. You just need different colors, so that's gonna look really beautiful in your salad. Then I also have these glasses, which are actually I think they are whiskey glasses, but I'm using them for my salad. So I want to layer the salad into the glass, and it's just gonna be really beautiful. You could also use wine glasses or any transparent fairly tall glass. And then we are just going to start prepping the fruits. So I have the melon here. I'm actually not sure how this one is called, but I will link that in the recipe, or I will mention that in the recipe. You could obviously use any other melon as well. I'm using this one just because it's green, and so I will have something green in my fruit bowl. So I've removed the seeds, and then I'm just gonna half it and also remove the skin. And then it really depends on you, but I would like to have really small cubes in my salad. So what I'm gonna do is to cube these so that I have those small pieces. This way it's gonna be really easy for me to really fill up the glass, so that there are not much empty spots. So when you have really big pieces, it's difficult to kind of cover the whole surface. And then right away, once you have your first pieces ready, add them to your bowl or the glass. So just want to check that I have a layer of green, and then that's enough. Then I can just cut the same amount for the second glass. And then the next thing I'm gonna cut is the banana, because I want to add my fruit according to the color. So I'm starting with the green, and then I'm gonna move up to yellow, and then light orange, red, and then the darkest on top. So I'm just gonna half the banana, and then this, and also cutting similar kind of pieces like with the melon. And then again, also fill the glass right away to see how much you need. Then I noticed that I'm not gonna have enough room for all of my fruits, so I'm gonna leave the peach out, and I'm gonna add some mango now. So this mango is really ripe, and it's gonna be difficult for me to get the kind of cubes that I made with other fruits. So I'm just gonna scoop it out with a spoon and add it like this. Don't waste any of the juices, so add those in as well. So this is how it's looking at the moment. You can see the beautiful layers, green, then, well, kind of white, yellow, and then the orange. And next is going to be the strawberries. And then you also want to layer the strawberries. And then the last thing that I'm adding is these really dark purple plums. I've cut one already, so you can see they're really dark purple inside. And that's because I wanted to layer my salad like that. So you could also use cherries. They would also have similar kind of color. So just cubing these as well. And this is going to be my final fruit layer. And that's it. That's your fruit salad done at the end with all the beautiful layers. So from the bottom to the top, I have so many different colors, and it's absolutely bursting with color and with delicious fruit.
So this is a really simple dessert, a quick and easy to make dessert, a really healthy dessert, and I think it's perfect for the summer. You can use different kind of fruits, obviously, so it's not set in stone which fruits I use. I kind of, when I make a fruit salad, I always think of the combination of fruits. So in my opinion, not all of the fruits fit together, so that's how I usually try to choose the fruits for my salad. So I try to combine the flavors in my head and think whether they fit together, and then I use them for my salad. So if you don't have all of the fruits available, you can substitute. Just think about the flavor combinations before you do that. Also, there's one funny thing I would like to mention about this recipe. Just about a week ago, my friend Carla, my subscriber, she wrote to me that she loves mangoes to one of my other salad recipes. So I think it was my watermelon salad that I shared. I will link it here. And she said one of her favorite fruits is mango, and she loves mangoes. Well, I thought to that I don't think I've ever had a really ripe mango, because where we live the mangoes don't grow here, and also the ones that get shipped
I haven't had any luck with getting good ones. And just now it happened that I decided to try my luck again. The mango looked really soft, and I was afraid that it's gonna be bad already, but I was really lucky, and it was absolutely scrumptious. It was so delicious, I couldn't believe it. And now I know how a really good ripe mango tastes. So how funny is that? We were just talking about it with Carla and it happened. Maybe it was some sweet thoughts from Carla that sent this mango my way, who knows. But I must say I absolutely love the mango, and if I thought before it's not my kind of fruit, then I definitely think otherwise now. Also like to say that always when you're using fruits for fruit salads, or when you're eating fruits, try to make sure that they are at their ripest. That's when they are at their best and they have the most flavor. So use the ripe fruits and your salad will be delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.